In surface leveling and site expansion projects, tree removal with bulldozers is an indispensable part. The power and versatility of the bulldozer allow trees and bushes to be removed quickly and efficiently. Please watch our following video to see that. I was really impressed with the site improvement project in Queensland, Australia, when I witnessed the impressive performance of the Cat D7 and D6 dozers. Designed to connect to the two ends of a giant chain, these two bulldozers easily cleared forest trees in an arc. This makes the project's slogan "Deforestation and no one heard" a success. After digging the soil around the tree, this excavator easily lifted the giant tree out of the ground without causing any negative effects to the environment around it. This stubborn tree hindered the process of building their new house. After a period of struggle, the excavator was able to remove it, returning the surface clean for the next construction job. It's impressive to pull the XL Pro tree installed on the Cat 28 billion excavator, helping to pull up a large tree as gently as weeding. I find removing tree roots is easy if you can push the tree with a wheel loader or a tractor with a front bucket. This method is much easier than trying to remove the stump after felling the tree with a chainsaw. He was so happy and excited when he defeated the giant oak tree after a long struggle. I believe you will enjoy seeing the cooperation between Yanmar and Seni excavators in clearing giant trees. The power and working capabilities of both machines are combined to solve the tough challenges of tree removal, creating an optimal and efficient working performance. The flexibility and diversity in applications of Komatsu excavators helps optimize working efficiency and save time during land reclamation. It was impressive to see the bulldozer knocking down trees with its incredible power. Using a Yanmar B50 excavator to remove dead ash trees, he was happy that he would have land to replant new trees. Tasked with clearing a long row of trees in one day, the Cat 345 BL series II excavator completed it excellently. Those jack pines don't seem to live very long. Maybe 15 to 20 years later they still look good but start to deteriorate quickly. Amid harsh weather, these excavators work steadily to complete the job of clearing 3/4 of an acre to create space for a food forest. The The skid steer tree removal tool is considered not only very fast but also much more cost-effective than large excavators and bulldozers.
Once they are done with the area between the driveways, they're going to head over.
With every push of the excavator on the giant tree, we can feel its precision and strength in removing the tree. The Cat D8T bulldozer is truly a great tool for clearing trees and bushes on a desert construction site. With the machine's power and precision, handling complex terrain in desert environments is easier than ever. Each powerful push of the bulldozer into the tree shows us the incredible power of modern technology. With the machine's power and precision, handling trees in difficult terrain is easier than ever.
Because it knows where it isn't. The operator uses deviations to generate commands to drive where there isn't. Consequently, the position where the forest is.
With a sharp blade, this wood splitter easily handles large diameter tree stumps. Woodcracker R is a tree stump treatment machine that operates much more gently than other conventional machines. Amazingly, the Dipperfox Crusher 850 Pro spindle on the UCB excavator can destroy up to 162 tree stumps in 1 hour. Not only that, with the ability to work with little noise and ensure safety, the SC600 spindle is a reliable choice in destroying tree stumps for many households. You will be amazed when you witness the powerful destructive power of this shark tooth separator. With its powerful and efficient working ability, this tree root destroyer has become an effective assistant in the land and environmental management industry. Equipped with cutting blades and high-performance hydraulic system, the FH20R ensures precise and fast tree stump removal, saving time and labor costs. Destroying maple tree stumps becomes easy with the Volvo EC60E mini excavator combined with a sharp blade. These sharp teeth challenge even the largest tree roots. They can cut through soil and rock, a testament to its strength. Thanks to the Manka tree stump destruction tool, obstructing tree roots are no longer a concern for workers. With great precision and durability, the tree root destroyer makes every job easier and more efficient. Let's see the mini excavator BH92 destroying a 14-year-old tree. Each new tree planting season is initiated with the help of a root destroyer, bringing hope for a clean and sustainable green future. Power, smoothness, ease of operation. Digging pine stumps with the Deere 270 DLC excavator brings results beyond expectations for users. Watch this tree stump destroyer remove a damaged Bradford pear tree. This monster tree stump was also easily taken down by this Senisai 50U excavator. The Vermeer South Carolina 30 Texas tree stump cutter is the optimal solution for removing tree stumps effectively and easily. This compact yet powerful machine is designed to tackle stubborn tree stumps quickly. Each operation of the Revolution Tree Root Destroyer is an important step forward in protecting and restoring the environment.